Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bright colorful halo eye for you guys, and it's using the NYX Ultimate Brights palette that I've had literally since wintertime, and I've finally seen the warm weather and am able to break it out, I feel like. And I just seen this one yellow and purple pink look, and it really inspired me to do a halo eye, so we're gonna do that. So first up, we're using Covergirl eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be using loose powder to catch fallout, which surprisingly there's not a lot of fallout with this palette, so 2 thumbs up for that. And we're taking a really hot pink eyeshadow in the palette on a fluffy blending crease brush, and I'm just going to keep building that up in the crease. And of course some of these colors take building up. A lot of palettes are like this. It's nothing out of the ordinary, but it's good when you're doing crease work to build up little by little anyways. So I just keep working and building this shade out, kind of blending at the edges as I go. I mean, the shades are actually really pigmented in this palette. It's just that they take a little bit of work on the eye. So we're going to be taking that pretty purple shade in the palette there, the darkest purple in the palette, and we're going to be applying this on the outer corner of our eyelid and in the inner corner, just like you would do a halo. You got to do a transition kind of color and do your inner outer corner, or just do your inner outer corner and forget transition. That's completely up to you. We're really going to pat this shade in there, and I'm using a more stiff pencil brush, dense pencil brush for this part of it. Next up, we're taking WetnWild PhotoFocus concealer, and I'm applying that in the center of the lid. I'm going to stamp that up on the eyelid a little bit there, and we're going to pat this out and blend it out with a stiff concealer brush. Pat the finger down on there just to pick up any excess concealer as well. And we're going to pick up this bright yellow eyeshadow in the palette. Once again, these swatch beautifully and really pigmented, but on the eye they take a little bit more work. So with the yellow eyeshadow, I'm using a flat, stiff shader brush, and it's going to pick up a lot of color. It's going to help with placement, and we're really going to pack it on. So that's what this brush is going to help with. And we're just going to go between the yellow and the purple there. We're going to blend that. We're going to bring in some more pink, and we're going to blend the edges down to that. Also, make sure you're bringing the yellow up a little bit into the pink, and it's going to create a little bit of an orange color. And that's also really nice, pretty blending and meshing there with the yellow. And I really love how this look came together. I'm just taking the Color Workshop brow highlighter here and highlighting with this any champagne-y kind of skin tone shade for highlighting your brow bone will work here. We're also going to be placing the brow bone highlight and then blending with our pink transition shade just to mesh all of those shades together. As always, you want to wipe away the fallout, and now we're going to be working on our eyeliner, and I'm using the Unshakeable liquid eyeliner. I'm doing a very thin line at the top there, and just to give some depth and definition. We're taking the Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tightline with, and then on the lower lash line, in the waterline, we're going to be using NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk after we clean our waterline out. And I'm also going to apply a little bit on the lower lash line as well, and I'm going to blend that out. We're going to be placing shade down there as well, and in the waterline I'm going to be placing the yellow shade, and we're going to build this up. And we're also going to put this in our inner corner, and if you've never put eyeshadow in your waterline before, this may burn a bit, but you literally can take a white and have any eyeliner you want in your waterline, add shadow on top of it, and it lasts a long time that way too, to set it with shadow. Now I also put the purple shade on the lower lash line as well, and here we're using the Benefit Bag Gal Bang mascara, and put a little teensy bit of that on the lower lash line. Not too much to take away from that yellow and purple down there. And this is Maybelline's 545 Beige Babe Matte Lipstick. Love this lipstick. New, and I am just obsessed with it already. LaColors setting spray to make sure this look lasts all day. And here's our finished look. I thought this was pretty easy to put together, very quick look. The shades blend together very nicely together, and I'm loving this palette so far. Stay tuned for more looks using the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. Hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, and don't forget to check the description box for additional tutorial links and product list. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Thank you always for watching.